Hello, fourth grade. This is going to be our last day of working with Scratch. So you need to be on the Lit Lab Symbaloo. It should have this wood-looking background and pretty much almost filled up. If you happen to go to the wrong one, check your web address here, and at the end it should be Lit Lab. And if needed, just let an adult know to come help you. So we're here. We're going to click the thumbs up picture for Scratch tutorials. And so once we are here, we're going to have to sign in. So that's in this gray area. So our username is Superior. And then our password is CATS, C-A-T-S. Then you can click login. You might have to be a little patient as this loads, because sometimes it does take a little bit of time. And so then you just see that we have some different tutorials here. So I'm just going to click on the image as a whole, and it's going to open these in Scratch. So you are free to pick any of these different tutorials you want to work on. So if I wanted to do this one, since it's a tutorial, it's like teaching you how to do it. So you see I have kind of this image down here. I would play it to see what does it want me to do. It looks like there's maybe about 4 steps. So it's just guiding you through how to make it, just like when I guided you through how to make our Frogger game. This will do the same thing. So then you can go through that. If you want to try something different, probably the easiest way is just to come back to Lit Lab and click on Scratch tutorial again. So hope you enjoy trying out some more things in Scratch.